To unlock the hidden developer options on the Insta360 X5, start by powering on the camera and making sure it is not recording. From the main screen, swipe down from the top to open the quick menu. Then tap the settings icon and scroll all the way down until you reach About Camera. Inside this section, repeatedly tap on the firmware version line, usually around 7 to 10 times. There's no pop-up or confirmation message, but after a few taps, the camera quietly enables a hidden developer or debug menu. Once that's done, go back one level, scroll through the settings again, and you'll now see a new developer options entry available. Inside this hidden menu, you may find advanced diagnostic and experimental controls, including debug flags, system logs, sensor or thermal data, and internal testing features designed mainly for developers and advanced users. Be careful when changing anything here, because incorrect settings can lead to instability, overheating warnings, app connection problems, or unexpected camera behavior. If something does go wrong, performing a normal camera reset will usually restore the Insta360 X5 back to stable, default operation.